Welcome to Bowland IT Services. We're your Ribble Valley IT professionals, and we're here to provide you with expert advice on getting the best out of your IT systems. We retain our customers by providing an award-winning, excellent service quality, along with good value for money. We are recommended by Lancashire County Council's Safe Trader scheme as a trusted trader and have many positive testimonials which you can browse through here on our website. We are happy to be involved with any aspect of your IT systems, whether it be installation and supply of products, right through to ongoing IT support. We cover a wide range of technology support and supply services, ranging from professional Apple iPhone and iPad repairs, right through to contracted IT support for small to medium businesses. So why not give us a call on 0800 689 0099 today? It could be one of the best calls you've ever made.